Welcome to this comprehensive documentary on one of the most versatile and indispensable products in automotive care, WD-40. Whether you are a professional mechanic, a car enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys taking care of their vehicle, understanding the full potential of WD-40 can transform the way you maintain your car. In this documentary, we will dive deep into the history, science, and extensive automotive applications of this iconic spray. From the engine bay to the exterior, from common maintenance tasks to surprising solutions for everyday problems, WD-40 proves itself a multifunctional tool that goes beyond the ordinary. History and background. WD-40 was first formulated in 1953 by the Rocket Chemical Company in San Diego, California. Its name stands for Water Displacement, 40th Formula, reflecting the perseverance and experimentation that went into perfecting it. Initially designed to prevent rust and corrosion on aerospace components, WD-40 quickly found its way into automotive applications, becoming a staple in garages and workshops worldwide. Mechanics discovered that its ability to loosen rusted parts, repel moisture, and protect metal surfaces made it an essential part of car maintenance routines. Composition and properties. The secret behind WD-40 lies in its unique chemical composition. Primarily consisting of lubricants, anti-corrosion agents, and propellants, it penetrates tight spaces, loosens rust, and protects metal from moisture. Its ability to slide into crevices, evaporate quickly, and leave a thin protective layer makes it ideal for automotive tasks that require precision and efficiency. This combination of properties enables it to perform multiple functions, making it a go-to solution for both minor fixes and critical repairs. Core automotive uses. One of the most common uses of WD-40 in cars is as a lubricant for hinges, locks, and moving parts. Car doors, trunks, glove compartments, and even seat tracks can become stiff over time. A quick spray restores smooth operation, eliminates squeaks, and enhances overall functionality. Additionally, WD-40 is invaluable for loosening rusted bolts, nuts, and screws. When working on older vehicles or parts exposed to moisture, these components can seize, making repairs challenging. WD-40's penetrating action allows mechanics to save time and effort. Metal protection is another key application. Exposure to water, salt, and road debris can lead to corrosion on underbodies, wheel wells, and exposed parts. A light coating of WD-40 forms a protective barrier that prevents oxidation, extending the lifespan of these components and reducing maintenance costs over time. Lesser-known automotive uses. Beyond the obvious, WD-40 has numerous surprising uses for car owners. For example, it can safely remove tar, grease, adhesive residue, and road grime from painted surfaces, restoring shine without damaging the finish. It also aids in removing stuck gas caps and cleaning spark plug boots, ensuring engine reliability. Mechanics often use WD-40 to clean and lubricate battery terminals, preventing corrosion and improving electrical performance. During winter months, snow and ice can accumulate on windshield wipers, causing streaking or damage. A light spray of WD-40 prevents buildup and maintains flexibility, ensuring effective wiper operation. Similarly, it can protect chrome parts, nuts, bolts, and even tools, keeping a workshop organized and equipment ready for use. WD-40 is also an unexpected solution for squeaky seatbelts, sticky pedals, and jammed gear shifters. Its ability to penetrate tight areas and displace moisture allows it to restore functionality in places that are otherwise hard to reach. Advanced automotive applications and professional tips. Professional mechanics often integrate WD-40 into specialized maintenance routines. For instance, when preparing a vehicle for long-term storage, a coating of WD-40 on exposed metal parts prevents rust during idle periods. It can also be used on timing chain covers, suspension components, and undercarriage areas where moisture accumulation is frequent. While WD-40 is not a substitute for heavy-duty greases or engine oils, its versatility complements other automotive fluids, enhancing overall vehicle care. Another professional tip is to use WD-40 to loosen fasteners that have been exposed to salt or coastal environments. The penetrating spray reduces the risk of breakage and helps maintain the integrity of bolts, nuts, and screws, especially in vintage or classic cars. Myths and misconceptions. Despite its widespread use, there are misconceptions about WD-40. It is not meant to replace specialized lubricants for high-friction engine parts, brakes, or wheel bearings. Its primary strengths are moisture displacement, corrosion protection, light lubrication, and cleaning. Users should always apply it appropriately and not expect it to perform in situations requiring heavy-duty oils or greases. Safety and precautions. While WD-40 is generally safe for automotive applications, safety should never be overlooked. Avoid spraying it on hot engine parts or near open flames due to its flammable propellant. Use in well-ventilated areas and wear gloves when handling for prolonged periods. Keep it away from sensitive electrical components unless intended, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions. And that brings us to the end of this deep dive into one of the most underestimated tools in automotive history, WD-40. What began as a humble solution for protecting metal in the aerospace industry has evolved into a global essential, a single spray that embodies precision, protection, and performance. Think about it. In every garage, every toolbox, and every mechanic's workstation around the world, there's always a blue and yellow can standing by. Not because it's trendy, but because it works. It's the quiet companion that saves time, prevents damage, and turns complex problems into quick fixes. From unlocking rusted bolts to preventing corrosion, from restoring shine to ensuring smooth operation, WD-40 has proven that true innovation doesn't always come in the form of new technology. Sometimes it's the timeless tools that keep the modern world moving. The legacy of WD-40 isn't just in its formula, it's in the mindset it inspires. Take care of what you own, and it will take care of you. That's the philosophy that defines great mechanics, careful car owners, and innovators alike. So the next time you pick up that familiar can, remember, you're not just using a spray. You're continuing a legacy of maintenance, innovation, and problem-solving that's lasted for over 70 years. Because in the world of cars, precision isn't just about engines. It's about care, attention, and consistency. WD-40 is more than a product. It's a symbol of reliability, ingenuity, and the power of simplicity. This is not just the story of a chemical compound. It's the story of human innovation, persistence, and the pursuit of perfection. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the science, history, and mastery of WD-40. A product that has not only stood the test of time, but continues to drive the world forward, one spray at a time. From its humble origins as a water-displacing formula to its present-day applications in garages worldwide, WD-40 continues to prove its worth. Whether loosening rusted bolts, protecting metal surfaces, removing grime, or ensuring smooth operation of mechanical parts, its utility is unparalleled. By mastering the various automotive uses of WD-40, you can maintain your vehicle more effectively, prevent common issues, and prolong the life of your car. Next time you reach for a can, remember that it's not just a spray. It's a solution to countless automotive challenges, making your vehicle maintenance smarter, easier, and more efficient. Let us know in the comment. Please like and subscribe for more content, and we will see you in the next video.